What is going? Oh, Jesus Christ! What is happening? Market's opening in a couple of minutes, and market's open. Oh. What are we doing today? What's it gonna be? Looks like a hanging man here. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Market's looking juicy. Market's looking up. Market's this. Market's that. What's it gonna be? All right, what is happening today?
It's gonna be a big day, bro. Gonna be a big day in the market.
There's a hangman on WLDN, and I don't like that. I'm not a fan.
Well, right now, let's see what's actually happening. Just give me a second to put a stop loss in place.
Yeah, do you? Let's fucking go.
Alright, I'm good here. OCC is cooking. I like it.
What do you got? Oh yeah, I took my profits on WLDN. I'm gonna take a closer look at other opportunities real quick going into today. I mean, all the mags are blowing right now. Ooh, OCC is ripping. Dude, OCC is ripping, bro.
I'm in it.
Oh my God.
Don't tell me you didn't get in again.
No, I just took profits. I gotta walk away from. I'm gonna get back in. Now I just gotta fucking. I can't get in now. It's already gone. It is gone.
Nah. This is up now. We up now. On 25, huh?
6% though. 6%. Let's go. 6%, bro.
That's what I'm saying, man. OCC, bro.
Nobody's talking about it.
Quiet little monster.
It's a beast.
You still got the target at $12, correct?
Oh yeah. It's.
They better start listening to you.
It's gonna get to 12. There's a harmonic there though. But you know, harmonics don't mean shit right now. I hit the target pullback.
Momentum is king right now.
Yeah. This is your typical. Yeah, there is a harmonic here, so I'm just gonna wait for this pullback here. Had a nice little. So you're getting the first candle set up right now. Right here at these highs. Nice little run. Just watch for that rejection, and then we're gonna draw some Fibonacci's. And now I'm looking at the 382. It's gonna get its pullback. Harmonic says so.
Yeah, it's coming down now.
Yeah, plus there's bearish divergence on the 30-minute. Let me go ahead and post this. I wonder if there's overlay. Keep talking, King. Let me check the YouTube real quick. Keep talking real quick. 1, 2, 3.
I got you. All right, everybody.
Keep talking, King.
Right now, I'm currently in 3 plays. Right, NVT, and OCC. That's one infrastructure, one AI infrastructure, and one optical cabling company. Right now, the markets are green. SanDisk is down 7%. STX is down 4.15%. Lam Research down 4.12%. AMD is up 5.27%. Palantir is up 2.64%. Bloom Energy is up 1.80%. SATS is up 7%. AAOI is down 1%. Circle is up 4.91% on the recovery bounce after the sell-off. CoreWeave is up 2.85%. WLDN is up 2.47%. Kratos is up 0.88%. For the knife on Kratos, so let's see if it holds. All right, then you got Rocket Labs up 5.3%. Pure Storage up 1.70%. You got VSAT up 3%. You got FLR up 2.46. BNO, Brent Oil Fund, down 4.47%. Intel, 3.98. You got Iron is up 1.87. Novo Nordisk is up 1%. Fastly is up 3.13%. Voyage, VOYG, is up 4%. NNE, Nano Nuclear, is up 3.1%. BMNR is up 5%. Lunar is up 7.92, now 8%. UUUU is up 6%. AMPX is up 2%. USAR is up 4.4%. TeraWolf is up 3.79%. FLNC is up 4%. Red Cat Holdings, RCAT, 1.6. AVEA, Avia Technologies is up 4.59%. Aether Mining is up 7.29%. NU Holdings is up 3.14%. Light Fiber is up 2%. Lightpath is up 1%. ORN is up 1.6%. UiPath is up 2.4%. Velo is down again.
Ooh, see that's a good one. Thank you.
20.86%.
That's a good one.
ONDS down 0.14. UAMI is up 6.57. MVTS is up 5.60. Redwire is up 6.71%. OCC is up 6.73%. Trox is up another 5.4%. Lumen is up 1.77. SATL is up 11%. SLS is up 4.6. BAK is up 4.6. CDU is up 14.64.
Let's pause it right there. Let's pause it right there. Let me get we went through a lot. If you guys don't know, that's King Kent in the building. Look at WLDN 3.5% right now. OCC 6.7. So infrastructure is looking really juicy. Looking really juicy. I'm gonna wait for a pullback here. Market is pretty much sideways right now. Interesting. Well, actually, no, it's 1% up on SPY. Russell up 1.5%. Brent crude oil down 0.73%. Somewhat choppy right now. ES FLR 3%. Wow, FLR infrastructures are running right now. Hold up. FLR, hold up. You said Velo too, right? Velo's
down 20%.
Get the fuck out of
That
here.
needs to be charted immediately.
Velo's down. Wow, look at fucking WLDN. Look at that candle, bro. No, it's already expensive. It's already overly expensive right now. Wow.
You in a super cycle though.
Super cycle.
You are right now. You are currently in a infrastructure and AI super cycle. So, getting those stocks come back.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost a dead duck at this point.
Look at
you
that
get
immediate
the right one, you get in and ride it to the top.
Yep. Look at that immediate rejection here at the 84.93 here. That's impressive. And then it came right back up. So I'm watching this 50 here. There was a inverted head and shoulder complex that was just completed here with the measurement rule. So from a risk reward, I'm watching this. You take your profits from a trader's perspective, not financial advice, and that's it. The move already happened. Be happy with the small little gains. There might be a pullback, right? But because we got in early, early, that whole move to the upside, that's a good average 6-7% since you called this out. Actually, no, since we fucking put it back on our radar. So you said Velo. Let's take a look at Velo real quick. Let me take a look at Velo real quick. Whoa! Let's go! Let's go! Now you got my attention. All right, so wait, what the hell? Hold on, what the hell? Why is it not playing? Oh, it is playing. Dude, Velo got destroyed, King.
Yes, it did.
Whoa.
The question is, when is it a good time to buy, not financial to buy?
So I got a harmonic completion right here at the 786. I don't know if you're watching the stream right now.
No, but I'm gonna turn it on right now.
Or you can just take. Let me see if I can stream it on the. I'm gonna try and stream it on the Discord right now. No. I can't. It's gonna take.
No, don't do that.
It's gonna take up too much power.
I'm pulling up on my computer. Don't worry, you good. Cook up. We got this.
786 right here, $10, 968. It's 24. Let's go. Now I'm also keeping an eye on infrastructure as well. GME allegedly had good earnings, ladies and gentlemen. Mixed review here, and it's not moving yet again. Yet again, ladies and gentlemen, it is not moving. It's not going nowhere. It is not going nowhere. GME is GM trash. All right, looks like WLDN wants to try and break that resistance. I am keeping an eye on infrastructure plays, but the move already happened, so I'm just being cautious of the overall move is very much up, but, you know, sometimes these things need pullbacks, and I'm not afraid of paper hand. God damn, OCC, another 7%. Something's hitting the tape here. Something is hitting the tape, and I'm not sure what's happening. I think somebody's talking about OCC, because ever since we started announcing OCC, it has been up, and up only. Up, and up. Since 650, 37%. 37%. And you guys remember in the Discord, I was watching a certain level. 650-ish. 650-ish. I sold way too early. But you know, I'm biased. I have to be biased. I have to take my profits. I sold way too
I
early.
hear you.
All right, let's see what's happening in the overall indices real quick. Nvidia, Amazon, Alphabet, WLDN. 3.8%. FLR, Doji, Comfort, Fix, ORN. Very interesting. Okay, you said, wow, look at WLDN. 4% right now. 4%. Woo-wee. Makes me want to go back in. Double dip? Nah. Nope. Not double dipping. Wow, look at the strength of that. Wow, look at that candle, bro.
Looking good.
And you had a gap, which is even crazier, bro. And you had a gap. There's about to be a 20 touch right there. 20 touch. Look at WLDN. Wow, bro. Look at that thing go. I definitely might double dip. Hold up. Let me just put this in the Discord. Alright, so there's a 382 target. I might just dabble. Right now, indices are just looking pretty weak here. We're getting some sort of resistance. Alright, anyway, you said, oh, it touched! Velo! It touched the target. Touch the target. Let's go! Wow, right on the nose. Harmonic touch on the nose, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. So that's a completion point. I had that thing up right in there, and you are getting a follow through here. Wow, so this is what we call descending scalp. Jesus, how bad was the earnings again? What the fuck?
It was terrible.
Yeah?
Earnings were terrible.
My guy, how bad? I mean, I'm looking at this thing. This thing is bad.
Extremely. But remember, they're a young company. You know, they're trying to, build up. So they're going to be spending more than they bringing in.
Mm-hmm.
And in this market, you get punished for that.
You're right about that. I might just do OCC next. I'm not gonna lie. Wow, Velo getting destroyed, and it's only the first. Wow, it got so bad, Velo, that it absolutely gapped down. And remember when Velo? Yeah, I remember you talked about this way before the run up. I think it was like around $5 you spoke on this thing. I don't remember. And this thing peaked at
around 650 or so.
Yeah, it was like around that mark. And look at that, fucking 24 now down to 10, right? But this is where people need to learn how to take profits, right? You got to learn how to shave some runners, keep it moving. There's so much more opportunity out there. OCC, damn, look at that fucking thing, and look at Velo right on the harmonic completion, bro. Wow, right on it. And I left this thing last night too. We were charting this last night, and we were just going over tickers. Right on the nose. Woo-wee!
As we speaking, SanDisk is selling off.
Really?
6.73%.
Maybe the market's absolutely getting crushed. Let me see here. VIX moving on up. You know what I saw today? I saw the credit crisis bullshit all over Bloomberg this morning. So I found that very, very interesting. Very interesting. The credit crisis. Wow, OCC up 8%, 8.5%, 8.5. Bro, I was thinking about a pullback. Oh
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah. I tried to tell you.
Breaking Trump is here we go. Trump is making preparations to send nearly. I don't know how. So I'm gonna post this in the Discord. See if somebody wants to confirm. Oh, Alpha 1. Oh. Somebody said ACAM, Circle, CRCG. All right, let's take a look at all the other ones too. Remember we were looking at Circle and all that?
Mm-hmm.
Circle, CRCL. Let's see what's happening with Circle here. So Circle, remember, so the 1 hour, we were looking at the RSI 1 hour. Remember the last night? Look at that now. Look at, we're almost reaching it. We're almost reaching it. So that'll be our confirmation, and wait for that confirmation. Might reject, may not reject. It can be a continuation run, but what we do know is that there's a rolling 50 right here that keeps getting rejected here, right here. Boom. So even if it hits above the RSI center, all we're going to pay attention to is that rolling 50 right now. All right, so Velo absolutely hit the target right here, and you are getting that nice little wick reaction off of the harmonic completion 786 off of this Gartley. So what we're going to do is we're going to sit on our hands and wait tomorrow for confirmation. People are playing the means off of this movement here, so that is impressive to say the least. Pretty much, you know, people are just willing to buy any dip opportunity, and this is pretty much in a downward trend as well. You know, you draw a trend line, you take it from the high to the lower high, right? Now look at that.
Oh, we have a massive sell-offs in the market.
Really? Let me see.
Light down 3.75. Sanders is now down 8%.
Yeah,
STX is down 7%.
I see, yeah.
Ooh. Rough one right now.
Dude, OCC, bro. What the fuck? I sold way too early. Whoa. God damn. God damn. Hold up. Where is it?
Damn, son. Where'd you find this?
Bruh, you can't make this shit up. And Arcat Holdings continuously running, bro.
You already know.
Continuously running. All right, let's see what the market's doing right now. VIX down 3.4%, but making a nice little golfing candle. Oil steadily moving on up here. It looks like it wants to make another leg. Let me switch it to the 15 to get a better idea. Yeah, it looks like it's got a nice little rising method here. 3 rising methods. Yep, looks like a 3 rising methods formation is about to pan out on this thing. ES getting a huge rejection wake up here. Huge wiki. SPY reacting a little bit much sooner. Russell also coming back down. Bitcoin sideways. Yep, we are getting a sell off right now. Miniature, but it's a sell off at best. Nvidia also reacting at that I think it has something to do with the troops now preparation sending 12,000. That could be the case right now. That's what it looks like it's happening right now. Arcat Holdings from 6% now back down to 3%, and we are getting a nice rejection here at WLDN. This is why we say take profits when you see them and walk away and wait for the next opportunity. Another leg up, another leg down. OCC absolute monster. Well, I'm not getting the entry on OCC. It completely blew off. OCC ain't coming back ever again. Oh my God.
I don't think so.
I am right now livid to the core. Hold on. OCC, the one ticker no one's looking at, is absolutely running. I mean, I thought, making 8% was good enough. Then I did a little bit 2% more. And then that was it. And then after that, I ran another fucking 20%.
OCC is strong, man. They've been in that consolidation for 24 years, so.
Yeah. Actually, it ran up 30%. The overall app, wow, it ran up nearly 30%. I never took all those gains. I never decided to trade the fucking thing ever since then. Wow. Dudes. And there's literally no weakness candle. Like, there's no candle suggesting that there's a pullback. So forget what I'm saying. This thing is not looking for a pullback anytime soon. I'm not financial advice. That's what I can see here. These candles are very powerful right now. Brother, I might just put like a... Damn, bro. We need a fucking Black Swan event, bro. You think they'll
We
dilute?
just had one.
You think they'll dilute?
No. They got money.
Okay.
Remember they made that deal for $20 million, so they got money now.
Plus, he's been around for 24 years, so I don't think he's gonna walk away. Wow.
No, I don't think he's selling either.
Yeah, Circle now making some rounds. 8%. 8%. And the funny thing is that Kathy Wood has pretty much put this thing on the map. All right, so the RSI. Woo! I'm just tired.
Bello finally might be catching the floor.
Who?
Bello finally might be catching the floor. We'll see.
Yeah, it found the floor. Look, it got the reaction wick here. Look at that, right at the harmonic completion. So when we get these harmonic plays,
But you called it.
look at that, right on the nose. And everybody can literally open up the stream and just see me open up the tab, and right there the harmonic was left. It's actually a 786. 786, there it was. So this thing absolutely found a fucking huge reaction. So all these scalpers right now, they just scalped 12%. So I'm turning on the 15. Let me go on the 2-minute so I can see exactly what happened. Wow. Look at the mean reversion. So this is where people are just scalping off of the means right now. Holy shit. You can't make this stuff up. You can't make this up.
Yeah.
So remember what I said. It's gonna, on the 2-minute, actually small time frames. You don't have to worry about the center too much. All right, let's see what's happening with the indices real quick. Yeah, huge. Look at that rejection here on futures. Wow. Huge wick candle rejection here on the fucking 15-minute. Massive rejection. I don't think OCC wants to pull back. I don't think so. All your tickers,
Look like it on my screen.
all your tickers right now are pretty much fucking running. VRT 2% today too. Fix percentage point right now actually. ORN. So this one, ORN, is another one to keep an eye on. This was one I definitely was looking into, but the rejection, already had a massive swing. This thing fucking ran 8%, and now it looks like a small little rejection here. RCAT up 4%, was up 6. Oh, now it's actually coming back up. It's coming right back up.
The market is reversing right now.
Oh shit, yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Yup, look at the Russell. SPY, Bitcoin, ES is coming down.
SanDisk is recovering a tiny bit.
Oh yeah, you just reminded me about SanDisk. Let me go ahead and take a look at SanDisk. SNDK. Man, it feels good to take profits when the opportunity presented itself. Let me see here. Woo! All right, what happened? Whoa! I was yawning for a second, and now this thing fucking... Yeah, it's getting a pullback. Let's see here on the daily. Oh, it's got a small minor pullback. I mean, I don't see the world ending on. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up.
There you go.
Hold up. I don't like this cross here on the MACD. Good morning, Pika Pie. Peak Empire, what's going on? Actually, you know what? Let me change the. I wonder if I can change the YouTube title. Let me see if I can change the YouTube title. I probably can't. Yeah, next time I'm gonna have to change it. Good morning.
Nasdaq is on the dip.
It continues to dip.
It's coming down a little bit.
I'll take a
We
look.
ain't had this entry in a little bit, so looking good.
Oh yeah, look at SPY, look at the VIX, guys. ES dumping, oil rising, Brent oil now 99. Good morning. Wow, VIX now went from down 3% roughly, now down only 1.74%. You are seeing an increase of a sell-off. Rising 3 methods here on Brent oil. Big engulfing candles, couple candles to the downside. The T on this one is not breaking 50% of the candle. Sometimes you can, and then thus you are getting a nice rising 3 methods formation here. Impressive here on ES and SPY. Let me take a look at NVIDIA. The Mag 7s, nah. It's like it wants to show a sell-off, but it's not really giving me a sell-off. NVIDIA is a great example of that. Amazon also a great example. Like, you know, maybe this little fade away, maybe this little sell-off wasn't that much. We'll see.
Yeah, GLW is holding.
Oh, that's a good reminder. See, this is why this is good to have you on, because you remind me. Shit, look at that. There you go. Woo! Almost at my harmonic completion. Almost. Let me get rid of those brushes. Hold on. Let me see what the brush say. I was off by a good. Let me see. I was off by 4%, 4.78%. I was hoping for a reaction up there. I mean, it's still strength. The strength is still. Let me see. The relative strength. Oh yeah, the relative strength is still intact. This ain't going nowhere. Look at Circle right here, 7% now on the mean reversion play. Hey, how's the trading world going? How's the trading world doing? It's doing fantastic. It's doing fucking fantastico. That's wonderful from the Discord. Oh wait, oh my god, I have another guy named Wonderful. He's a Bitcoiner. Let me see if I'm not crazy. That's Wonderful from back in the day. What's going on, Wonderful? Everything's doing fantastic. We're looking at infrastructure plays. We've been fucking killing it. All the big
VT is starting to tick back up. Is it the green?
Let me see. Dude, OCC does not want to die, dude. What the fuck, man? What is going?
You'll get a little pullback in a second, but I don't know if you want to pay $9.50 for it.
I'm not paying $9.50 for it. Bro, I'm willing to pay $8.50 for it. I'll pay $8.50 for it. Never invested on crypto though, my good brother. No, I know. But there's another guy named there's another guy with a similar name to you. He's in the Discord and he's into crypto. I know you're not into crypto. I almost got confused with your name with another member, that's why. Yeah, but I remember. You definitely wasn't into crypto. You was in equities. All right, here we go. RSI on Circle. Oh, looks like GLW wants to continue? What? Whoa! I guess the harmonic is still in play. God damn it. Dude, I really gotta really take a second look at GLW. Yeah, no. Nope. No. I wouldn't trade here. Nope. Not at all. Nope. Taking a closer look. Hell no, those are bearish divergences. Fuck no. Risk reward ain't there. Fuck no. I'm on Discord too. Been almost a year now. Yeah. It's been almost a year, bro. We mean it's been I don't know the last time you were on, but it has definitely grown. It has definitely grown. It has grown a lot actually. Too much. Wow, look at OCC, 10%. Bro, it's going to 12. I can't believe that this thing has... This is a fucking monster move. Dude,
Yes, indeed.
who's pumping our bags right now? Look at... Oh my God. Wow. Dude. Dude. You seen this, right?
Yes, I am.
Dude, 10%.
I'm in the trade.
It's going to the target. It's literally going to the target.
I agree with you.
So right now we're gonna hit resistance though. We're gonna be at resistance. This is a critical level it's about to be in. Alright, so wow. We did a fucking good job on this one. We did a fucking good job on this one, dude. We
White
fucking
fiber up
killed it,
4%.
bro.
Fiber's up 4%. Oh, Velo massive sell-off again.
Velo?
Oh, what happened? It just started recovering.
Let's fucking go. So this is what I look for, bro.
Bear trap. I mean, a bull trap.
Bull trap. This is what we look for. This is good. This is what we look for. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah.
Yeah, I'm doubling down on my NTV.
You want to know PP? Then you know me. All right, finally, 11%, bro. You can... Oh my
11.74.
God.
1.74.
Woo! No fucking way. Okay, touch resistance here. 980. Oh my God. Dude.
12.98.
Dude.
OCC. 9 cents away from $10.
9 cents. It's at resistance too.
All right, let's see if it's going to hold up there. I expect a pullback, but let's see what happens.
I want a pullback. We need a pullback. This is extremely bullish. I don't think, like, the MACD is saying no. The MACD is saying no. The positive DI is saying no. We're not getting a pullback. It doesn't scream. I mean, it technically... I mean, we're going to get the pullback. But look at this ascending. So this is what we call an ascending scallop right here. So this is your typical ascending scallop formation setup right here. So this setup is not bearish at all. Like zero, nada. Now we got a target up there at 12 beans. So, you know, that's going to be my... All right, we're getting the react. We're getting at least a minor resistance here. So that's not bad. The issue is now that you have 3 white soldiers on OCC. This is fucking bullish. Now I am seeing a little bit of a structure shift here, where the medium candle and this candle are becoming a little bit smaller and smaller. So I am observing that. But this is not a bad area to look for at least a resistance, which we are getting right here, right at that 11 B. I mean, excuse me, that 979, 980 previous prior resistance. Hopefully we get a nice little pullback. We may not. We may not. We may not even get the significant pull. I want a significant pullback. But this thing is inside an ascending scallop formation. This is bullish as fuck, bro. So we're gonna keep monitoring.
Got a chance.
Yeah, we are getting the reaction here. So people are taking profits here. That's a good sign. I like that. I need a pullback on OCC. There we go. That's what I like to see. Give it to me. Give it to me. That's a shooting star. That's a good sign. 30-minute. Let's fucking go. Finally. Holy shit. My God, bro. So my harmonic, let's go ahead and go draw the 886. So this thing fucking blasted, dude. It fucking blasted. Now we can have a 113 as well. Let me just confirm the bat. Yeah, we can have an 86 with a 1618 or a 2. Let me see where the 2 finishes at. Yeah, that's a 10% tolerance. 886, 10% tolerance. Yep, there it is. So that's a bat. 886 with a 10%, 2 right there. All right, that's roughly between the 3% rule. So, dude, this is overly bought. Overly bought, dude. This was an amazing trade. This was an amazing trade. And the best part, it's not even done yet. It's not even done yet. All right, you said Velo. Okay, which one? What are the tickers we're looking at?
Well, right now we're looking at Velo.
Fix is now up 1.38%. Fix is up 1.3%. VRVT, VRT 3.3%. FLR up 2%, and then WLDN 2.7%. Go ahead.
Veritiv is up. VRT is up 3.36. AMD is up 6.25.
AMD.
AMD.
Let's take a look at AMD. I'm gonna pull up another. All right, let's pull up. Was this Ondas? Yeah, it was Ondas here. All right, AMD. All right, what are the tickers? Dude, our fucking infrastructure plays are not pulling back right now. Wow. AMD 6%. What? AMD will ship M1 GPUs. H2 traders now forecast a triple-digit revenue. It's got some good headline news, I'll tell you that much. All right, so the infrastructure plays are now pulling back. Impressive, impressive, impressive. All space
GLW.
All space stocks took off. Somebody's mentioning space tickers. I'm looking at all of the space tickers.
Some of them going up.
I'm looking at all my space tickers. Every single one of them, minus Velo, is fucking blasting off. Blasting off. We might actually have to have a whole separate tab, space tabs. As a matter of fact, let's do that right now. Let's do SIDU. Let's do LPTH. Let's do Copen. Let's do ASTS. Let's do Rocket Lab. Let's do Ondas. Let's do Lunar. And let's do, I don't know. Do we have Copen up here? We don't have Copen. We have Copen. Voyager. I don't know. We'll just fucking do Voyager here. And then we'll just keep it in there.
Voyager, yeah.
All right. Lightpath. Wow. 2.6%. Dude, so so Ondas completely is just failing to break highs at a key. So the key resistance here seems to be Ondas is failing to break 1160 from what it seems like. Just overall what I'm looking at. 1160 right now. Let me go back to indices real quick, see what's happening here. So the VIX coming down now. Oil subtly just stuck between a rock and a hard place. Bitcoin coming down. All right, so yeah, space stocks looking good. GME had good earnings, or actually had some fucking weird earnings. Not really moving. OCC 10% to the upside, waiting for a pullback on this damn thing. Looks like we're not getting it. Velo absolutely still down 20%. Jesus Christ. The fact that people are buying this here is pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. We are seeing a candle structure set up bear side on WLDN for the moment. I like the dojis. I do like that for a pullback. Minor pullback, then re-entry. VRT now 0.36%. Fix up 1.5%. Orion, slight pullback. Scala formation here. Looks like a double bottom, 1125. Let me take a look at Palantir.
FLR 2.4.
Let me take a
FLR
look.
2.4.
Oh, look at that. Palantir up 2%. 2.6%. Palantir up 2.6%. Huh.
It had to recover from yesterday.
It had a minor pullback, and it found support on the 20 EMA and roughly almost touched the 50. I mean, the relative strength is still to the fucking upside. The Palantir is not going anywhere right now.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, OCC! Dude!
We got the money right back.
Dude! Please bring this back. I can't. I can't.
You gotta do it, bro.
I
You gotta
can't.
do it for the culture. You gotta do it for the culture.
I
man.
can't buy here, bro. You know that.
You gotta buy at least one share for the culture, bro.
You know what? I'm gonna
Come on,
do
man,
that.
you
See
gotta
that?
do
I'll
it.
do. I'll do that. See, I'm gonna go buy
One share for the culture,
fucking
bro.
share right now. I'm gonna do one share.
Even if it pull back, it's all right.
I can't believe I missed on 30% overall. I bought one share just for the culture. There you go. I bought one share.
There you go.
Now I
There you
own
go.
OCC. Wow. Dude, all right. We are getting somewhat of a double top here. I am seeing a double top here on OCC, so that's a good sign. Jesus fucking Christ. Just give me the pullback, bro. I already bought it,
All right, I
March.
can use a little help on this side when you get a second.
Martian, I already bought it. Yeah, I had to buy it. I'm already late to the game. Oh, actually, I wasn't too late, but I already missed literally 20% of the trade. I could have made an additional 20%, but it is what it is. It is what it is. What are you going to do? When you find these fucking monsters, these sleeping monsters, my guy, you know, next time...
Can you chart it for the people in the chat who never seen it?
Oh, it's very simple. All I gotta do is pull up the weekly, and that's it. That's all you gotta know.
Oh my God, you in the green.
Oh my God! No way,
And
dude!
you're in the green.
I just
Go ahead and
bought.
take your profit.
I just bought this fucking thing. Oh.
God bless America.
Oh my God. Yo.
What did Mark say? Do it for the culture, right? Now you in the green. See you, March. I see you. I see you. Ain't nothing like a good FOMO.
Oh my God, dude. Bro. I haven't seen something like this in well over a year, bro. I haven't seen something like this.
You was in it. You was in it when it crossed $10. That is a historical fact.
We are officially. Wait, hold on. Wait, let me confirm this real quick. Let me confirm something real quick. Hold up, because where we are now. Oh my God. So there's another scenario where we're looking at a cup in hand. It's a really sloppy cup. But because we're above the 236, now entering the 382, my guy, this fucking thing. Let me just make sure I'm not crazy. Let me pull up the monthly chart here. Yes, guys, look at where we are now. We're in phase fucking. I would argue we're in fucking phase spring right now. Then the test, and then the fucking dick up only. So, yeah, we're in the accumulation schematic phase on this fucking ticker. The problem is that this ticker is dick up only right now. All right? I would,
$10 on the dot right now.
yeah, we are literally at the beginning of a fucking monstrous move. Not financial advice, obviously. But this thing has been showing strides non-stop. And, oh my God, it's inside a 3. Oh my Lord, this could be the first valley. This could literally be
We're about to get a 3 rising valley.
We're about to get a 3 rising valley. Oh,
God bless America.
Oh my, yo, your account. I feel like a retard. I let go of this way too soon, but you know what? It's okay. We're gonna get back in. It's all right. We'll get back in. All right. So it broke. It literally broke into that fucking resistance here. It literally broke right into that resistance. Let me double check here, bro. Fucking killed it. The worst part is I'm not seeing any reversal candles yet. That's the crazy shit, King. There's no reversal candles yet. Not one. I don't see it yet. Not even on the 12. Let me see on the 1 hour. Nope. I don't see not one reversal candle yet. Let me see the 5. All right, we are getting, man, even when I want to think it's a reversal, this fucking thing. All right, yes, we are seeing a reversal setup. We are seeing a reversal setup. For the love of God, just come back, bro. For the love of God, just come back.
Man. Wow, these infrastructure plays are just so strong.
Dude, I don't even want to look. OCC makes me depressed. I don't even want to look at it no more. I don't even want to look at. All right, Nvidia pushing markets up 2.6%. Must have had some sort of Trump to name. Whoa, what? Trump to name. Wait, what? Name Mark Zuckerberg, Larry Ellison, and Jensen Huang to tech panel. Man, that's not fucking news. What? Why is this even
That's
news?
not news.
That's not news. That's irrelevant. Something hit the tape. VIX is coming down. Oil is flat. Brent is flat. Russell slightly move up. QQQ slightly move up. All the Mag 7s are looking pretty decent here. Yeah, looking pretty decent. Wow. OC. Oh no, this is space tickers. Whoops. All space tickers subdued, up 30%. For some odd reason, it's up 30%. OCC.
Everybody's anticipating the SpaceX May launch. They saying May. Either this week or next week.
Oh, you mean the IPO? Is that what you?
That's correct.
Could be a thing for sure.
So it's pushing the momentum for the space stocks up right now.
Okay. You want an OPP? All right. What is happening across the board? Go ahead and cover for me. I'm gonna go make some coffee. I'm extremely I'm tired as shit. So, wow, $10 right now. And let me just quickly go over ES futures real quick, and I'll let you cover for now. So real quick, SPY 15-minute. I'm seeing flat lining. This thing is only up 0.78%. I'm not seeing any directional movement yet. A little bit flat here. Russell as well, not really seeing too much movement, up 1.4%. Actually, that is pretty significant to the upside. And typically, you do want to start seeing a little bit of a pullback. Brent oil now getting that 3 rising method formation, looking like it wants to thrust through the previous resistance high, 99.99. Actually, that's literally what it is at, 999.47, 999.888. So Brent oil creeping up now into the 100 range. It's literally back at $100. So keep an eye on that. VIX and slowly elevating here. ES looks like it wants to pounce off here, but now with oil rising, now oil at 102.22, up 0.66%, slowly creeping. VIX now slowly creeping, 23, 25, 35. Very interesting. Bitcoin looking like it's wants to point to the down south. That's not good. When you have Bitcoin coming down and oil going up, oh boy, that's not. It looks like it wants to start hammering down in QQQ with a nice little inverted hammer, or I should say shooting star. What seems to be now it's a doji. So a little bit of the weakness on the market overall, slowly bleeding into the charts, but we shall see and digest. So I'll be back about 5 minutes. King, you can take over, brother.
I got you covered. All right. So, is anybody in any tickers right now that they want to talk about? Put it in the chat. Right now, VIX is just starting to tail off, just a tap. 25.17 and coming down. In 1 second, I track it. All right, VIX is holding. Let's give it another 30 seconds. That is not what you want to see. You do not want to see the VIX going up. All right, Bitcoin 71, 380 and holding. S&P at 0.74, 6,605. NASDAQ is at 24,666, up 1.10%. Yields are holding at 3.76. Technology is in the green, 1.31. Consumer discretionary, 1.24. Healthcare, 1.0. Mineral, 0.95. Communication, 0.77. Industrial, 0.69 up. Utility, 0.52 up. Financials are 0.33 up. Energy is at 0.23 down, and consumer staples are at 0.40 in the red. All right, now, as we talking, I see you marching. I see you. All right, let's look at it. To-do is up 25.73. Right now, you got SALT up 22.86. You got Trox up 4.3. UAMI 5.7. NVTS at 6.90. OCC is now 15.22. Velo is now down 22.41. ONDS just went in the red. Down 0.28. UiPath is up 0.5%. LightPath is up 3.71. NU Holdings is up 2.40. Avia is holding 0.38. Cipher Mining is up 9.4%. Arcat is up 2.18. Fluence Energy 2.69. Terrible 6.0. We got USAR 4.88. Got the U at 8%. Lunar 19.39. BMNR 2.86. NNE Nuclear 3.08. APLD a 0.94 up. Voyage 6.54 up. Fastly is cooking 7% to the upside. $30.24. That one. But it's starting to come down a tiny bit. 2.43. DRS is up 2.87. Intel is up 6.66. FLR is up 2.29. Our Congress loves VSAT. They are up 4.60. MP Materials is up 1.71. Pure Storage is up 2.72. Rocket Labs is up 12%. Tidewater is up 1.61. Kratos is up 1.30. Still trying to catch a floor, down 78 after dilution. 3.73 for WLDN. CoreWeave is up 5.28. TTE is holding 0.16. ASTS 11%. Circle at 5.91 on the rebound after it got AAOI 2.38. Nebius 2.27. SATS 9% to the upside.
Just a heads up,
NVT.
I'm back. Just heads up. Put the coffee ready to go.
NVT is up 2.22. I'm actually in that play right now. Prim 1.41. GLW 4.92 is just about to hit $150. Remember when that thing was 85 and I was pounding the table? Bloom Energy 3.76. Frontier 2.76. Steel STLD. STLD is up 2.4. Nvidia is holding at 2.80. AMD is holding at 6.66. Vertiv, all-time high again, 3.62%, 280. Alphabet, 0.2. Mastech, 1.28. Microsoft is back in the green, 0.35. 10 is up 3.36, new all-time high, 443.81. STRL 210. ISCC is up 2.40. PWR up 2.6. SNDK started recovering, is only down 3.8 now. EME.
Oh, wait. We got the pullback.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Hold on. We're getting a small little pullback. Minor. Finally, we're getting the pullback. King, this is too much winning, King. This is too much winning. Good morning, another day, another trade, bro. What? Oh my, OCC, too much winning, bro. We needed a pullback, man. We needed a fucking pullback, bro. Please give it to us. Jesus Christ. Anyway, what tickers were you going over real quick?
I just ran through them all. One more.
Go ahead.
In Fix, IX is $10 away from its all-time high.
Let's fucking go, bro. Let's fucking go, bro. You are fucking killing it, dude. Ow! Fuck! I just hit my knee. God damn it. Fuck. All right. Let's see what's going on with the market. I haven't even looked. I'm on the 5 minute on the money. Let me switch it over to the 15 real quick, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the like button. I would highly appreciate that, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's move on. Let's have a different conversation. Let's talk about what have you been eyeing recently? Have you been doing any research of a different sector, or you just focus on? I'm totally fine sticking with infrastructure for the next couple of months if we have to. I have no problem trading infrastructure at this point, but is there a sector you might be interested in?
Right now,
Because
all the
infrastructure
big money's flowing to infrastructure.
has been killing
My
it for us.
focus,
Go ahead.
my focus currently is to start looking for the oil companies that haven't caught headways just yet, and start looking at those, which ones are going to move up. That is what my next target is right now.
Okay.
Then also have energy sector.
Oh, that's a good
Seem like
one.
the energy sector
You just reminded
starting to
me
pick
about
back
that.
up.
You just reminded me about that. You just reminded me about that. No, you just reminded me about the energy sector. I totally forgot about the energy. Yeah, this is why. You know what? I like this. I like this. I like how you remind me of shit, and we can find opportunity. I'm switching over to the energy sector right now, actually. So we got AXTI up 2. God damn, bro. AXTI since April lows, January 30th. Excuse me, January 30th. It has been up only 332%. What's up with this company?
You know they battery tech. So we need them for these drones. So long as we're making drones, they should be going up.
I just got an alert right now on VIAV Solutions. I don't know why I got an alert here. Just checking this out real quick. Why did I get an alert here? It looks like it hit my target. Looks like it hit my target. Is this the water play? Is this code? I think this is Code's play. This has to be Code.
It look like it to me.
You remember this?
Yes, I do.
This was Code, right?
Yes, it is.
Bro, I just got an alert.
It is absolutely running.
And it's almost hitting my target completion.
It passed earnings, the last 4 earnings. So it has momentum. Right now, it's a buy from the 8 analysts that's holding that one. And we're actually waiting, which is good, for a play. We're waiting for an analyst re-rating, but the last analyst re-rating got it at 2470. It was way past that now. So once we get that re-rating, you can expect it to get a double pop.
And what is this play again? I'm sorry. What are we talking about here?
This is a defensive play.
Whoa. I'm surprised you never got in this one.
No. I had too much other stuff.
I respect that. I totally respect that. All right, moving over to NVIDIA and indices real quick. Skimming over the 15. I got to go get my coffee. It's still burning right now. Oil set. Dude, things are flat right now. Let me go ahead and chart SPY while we wait. Dude, VIVA absolutely about to go fucking nut. It's about to go nutty right now. OCC, SPY. We want an OPP. All right, so SPY. Ooh. Guys, keep SPY on your radar. Okay, I'm going to be very honest with you, King. I think. Well, you're already good. I know you good because what this candle is telling me right now. What this candle is telling me is a Harami cross. Straight up Harami cross. Let me pull up my candle book real quick. Harami cross. I really like SPY right here. I might actually start positioning for...
SPY is up today, but it's ticking down. All right, let's see which way it's gonna go. Trying to pick back up, upward ticks on the SPY. Let's see.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be too quick.
What? With SPY?
It's not going straight down, it's going up. So I wouldn't be too quick. I would wait another minute. That second and third tick down.
All right, let's take a look at other companies real quick. Just quickly skimming over through SPY, WLDN. Our infrastructure plays are fucking killing it. Shout out to King. He's a guest in the panel. He might be a guest moving forward for a couple of days if he's interested. I'll leave it up to him. But he has been a great asset. Just reminding me on some tickers we're looking at. He introduced me to infrastructure. Infrastructures have absolutely been destroying it. Going against the market trend, just been up, staying up, not consistently, like, you know, dick up only like a goddamn AXTI. But it's a slow grind to the upside against the market trend, and it's been really holding up very, very good. I mean, look at FLR right now, 2.76%. Now it's inside an upward channel. I already trimmed my profits in WLDN. WLDN will get back in. Once this little doji setup gets away, I'm not a fan of these little doji setups. Pretty much indicates a potential small-minded pullback. RCAP pullback is somewhat giving back all the gains that it made today, but it had a massive rally. So it's rightfully so due for a small retracement. This is actually King's favorite drone play out of every other drone play. As a matter of fact, what is happening with ONDS as we go through it?
ONDS is down 0.07 in the red.
Oh my god, dude. At some point, you know what's going to happen, right? This thing's going to fucking give. All right, hold on. Let me go get my coffee. All
right, Wet Wire is holding up well today, 0.23. That is one of close eye on Wire. And then you got Sadu is now up 20.9. PZG is holding right now. PZG is holding, is flat. NNBR is another one that we'll be talking about. It is up 1.8%. Your eyes on NNBR. BAK, keep your eyes on BAK. Ticker is BAK. It's been running a little bit. Eyes on that one is up 0.6. Now, Fox pulling back.
All right, I'm back real quick.
You
just
got
in
Web
case.
Wire pulling back. And then all of a sudden, Velo has just sold off again.
Oh, it is? All right, let's take a look at that. Woo! Boop, 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 boop. Who's in in the chat here? Who's this AMG Ray Ray? Ray Ray, that's my boy.
What's up, guys? OCC.
You know me.
Yo,
Let's go.
Just a heads up, full
King, my boy
full,
just sent me SATL. Nice 14 grand. He pocketed on that. He just took some off and he's holding the rest.
for which ticker?
The one King
SAT,
mentioned
the one I've
last
been
week.
talking about.
Which ticker was that one, King?
SATL.
SAT.
The biggest boner trade ever.
19%.
Oh my, yeah, dude.
The month isn't over. I think if you caught the bottom of the month, it would be over 100%.
Yeah, pretty much.
Just
yeah.
a heads up, Ray. You're on stream. Just a heads up. So just be mindful.
Sorry about that. I got you.
No. You know, with the words and shit. You know what I'm saying. So anyway, go ahead.
So they satellite the world.
This
So
SATL.
expect them to be continually making moves in the next couple of months.
Ray, I didn't tell you to shut the hell up. I just simply said with our little Jersey talks, we got to that's
No problem. I'm looking all throughout the market right now on my plentiful of screens
Gotcha.
and making a coffee.
Amen to that. God
All right,
damn. Bro.
OCC is up 14%.
Oh my, bro, you're making me depressed every time you talk about it. I trimmed way too
Bella
early.
was now
bro.
down 26%.
Yo, bro. Let's do this. Let's not talk about OCC. God damn, bro. I trimmed way too early, man. God damn.
All right, has white fiber found the floor yet?
Somebody said keep OSS under your radar. Let me see. OSS. Let's go.
Yeah, we got OSS.
We do? You keeping track of this one?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh, you
One stop.
You probably have it in your Discord channel. I mean, your Discord channel. In the channel. In your room.
Mm-hmm.
You just waiting for this
It's
one?
1.9 right now.
Mm-hmm.
It went down 17% this week, but
What are you waiting
Keep my
for
eyes
on
on
this
it.
one? What's your catalyst? What's your thesis?
that's exactly what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for another deal. I'm waiting for another catalyst. It ain't really gonna go sideways until then.
Bingo. There you fucking go, King. It's going sideways. Let me see here. I mean, it really does stem true. Because look at this descending wedge here that we got going on. All right, so I will say this, wonderful. Us traders, we can only do so much, and having a quant fucking amplifies your trading experience. I'm telling you right now, you gotta have a
Well,
quant on
please
your
pull up the
coin.
chart on GLW right now, please.
Let's fucking go. What's happening here?
You put the target mark at 155. When we charted it back when I was streaming, when it was 85, you $5 away.
Woo! The harmonic is still there, baby. I thought she was dead. Not gonna lie. I said, oh, Doji. And then obviously, what do I know? It's fucking market open. First 30 minutes of the day, you don't technically count it. You gotta wait an hour to get the overall basis of the trend throughout a ticker. My assessment is how I move the markets. And we are almost at the completion point. Let me check the daily candle structure real quick. Yeah, we're about $5, like what King said it is. We're literally $5 away. That's fucking impressive, bro. What I said yesterday, I said this is the most bullish shit you ever want to see on GLW because it broke out of a consolidation phase. Look how many times it has hit that top end trend line, then bottom end trend line, and once you got that news, dicky, it's all rippy right now. So this is absolutely a fucking monster.
Hey, Sammy,
Yo.
let's do PILL.
PILL. Hey, how's Palantir, bro?
Hold on, let me see. Not something I trade, but
I know
Yeah,
you don't trade it
it's
because he thought he was gonna get the best short of his life right now. Get him in here, bro.
I will. He's sleeping.
Yeah, bro. Cause you know. Anyway, PILL. Ooh.
Right?
Yeah, I like.
Sexy.
Isn't
Got
that,
distance.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Plenty of
isn't
room
that the
to
3X
run.
bear?
What's the
I mean, bull?
Yeah, Medical Bull, Directional Daily, 3X
Uh-huh.
upside.
Look how witty they're getting with the names too. Pill for pharmaceutical.
Is this a bioplay?
Uh-huh. For pharmaceutical and Medicare.
Oh, this is a EDF?
Yeah.
Yes. 3X
Oh!
bull.
Oh my god.
That's what I just said.
So you see the breakout and now the retest on the monthly and the weekly?
Oh, I see it. And I also got a harmonic down here. Oh, I fucking see that. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, yeah. This is a clean ass shark. Oh, this is a clean shark. Oh!
Yeah, what can I target on this to the upside?
Oh, this is simple. This one's very simple. Let me pull up the daily real quick. Let me just confirm. Oh, D. All right, so we typically look for the 1061 first PT target. You break 1061. It's rare to get these V-shaped recoveries. So because you are experiencing a V-shaped recovery, there's a likelihood it gets to the golden pocket sooner than later. Because this opening and this gap up engulfed all 3, 4, 5 candles from the previous 10. This is what we call, obviously this is what we call Marabuza opening. And that's a very, very, very powerful candle to see on the daily, which means a high probability of a continuation run going into tomorrow. High probability. As long as this candle structure stays up here where it's at right now, strong possibility. Oh my, yeah, I'm just noticing this shit now on the daily. Hold up, let me pull up my oscillators because I was just looking at the candle structure. Hold up. Let me. Oh no! Oh brother, you might actually get more bang for your bank. You might actually get more bang from your bank. You MACD cross on the 12. Positive DI about to cross the negative DI. Super bullish. ADX still hasn't curled yet. 4-hour guarantee everything's above the RSI center. Cross positive DI. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. The biggest one is the 12-hour. Yeah, you're definitely in good faith. 51% chance you might see a continuation run. So I'm looking at 1183 at the golden pocket. 1183, 1167. Okay. That's strong relative strength right there. Holy shit. God damn.
VIX is coming down.
Yeah, so I'm looking for a position tomorrow. I'm going to be honest with you. Look at SPY on the fucking 3-day, dude. 3-day, that's a goddamn harami cross on SPY. That's a very bullish setup. So from a risk reward, my degenerate ass will start looking at a potential play right here. I'm looking at infrastructure. Infrastructure slowly pulling slightly back. FLR, slight pullback. OCC finally getting a pullback scenario set up. I am watching. You got a hanging man. You got a doji. You got a star. You got everything that looks like it's screaming pullback. Thank the fucking Lord. We're gonna get on OCC. I'm gonna load the fucking boat on OCC when I get my pullback. I'm telling you, I'm loading the fucking boat. Real quick, we got a chat. We got comment. We got somebody in the comment. Wonderful. They aiming to build stuff that can regen their chorus. So even if hardly damaged, they can still function. Is that regarding OCC or the? Oh, okay. It's OSS. Sorry, OSS. That's what he was talking to.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Got you. Yeah. So pill looks really good here. Very nice chart. Very fucking nice chart. Wow, WLDN. Thought you were gonna get that pullback. No. Nope. I already.
Also, Sammy, you know
Mm-hmm.
I trade the bonds. Look up the ZROZ and look at it on the weekly and the daily.
All right, pulling up ZRLZ. Actually, let me put that on my watch list because these.
Yeah, it'll include such an encompass of the market and what it's predicting.
Please elaborate a little more on that.
It's your highest sensitivity to interest rates.
Highest sensitivity to interest rates.
So if they're going to move the interest rate either lower or higher, this is going to react. Because bonds will give you a coupon. Every 6 months, they pay the coupon. I trade the ZROZ, which doesn't have a coupon. It's already built into its sensitivity. Now, because I trade the ETF version of it, they're still going to give me a dividend. I think it's like 4.8%. It kicks out April 1st or April 2nd of this month coming. So in a week. So I get to hold money in this thing while also trade it and get paid.
And it moves very. There's not. It's illiquid. What I'm noticing here, but when it moves, it fucking moves.
Now, when it does move, and you're in an environment like this where shit's crazy, there's 2% on this is a big move. This is a treasure. I would equate 2% on this to having like a 5 or 6% move on a stock.
I would have said 8%.
Yeah, 8%. And now it's finally squeezing, building structure to the upside, and let's see how far it can go, especially with yields cooling off. So every day it's been paying me to play. And you see it going today. You see it engulfing the previous candle on the weekly.
Yeah.
And you had a lot of volume to the downside, and the spread was small last week.
Huh.
So something fishy is going on.
I wouldn't put it past it. I mean, look at what's happening today. We just had good news yesterday, allegedly, and then today.
They're trying to fuck with us. Sorry, guys. They're trying to mess with us.
Yeah, and if you look at the VIX, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just pulling up the VIX. It's literally up right now as I speak. It is literally following a trend line. Like, you can't make this shit up. And it's at a goddamn vertical. It's literally fucking near vertical. Well, not near, but you get what I'm saying. It's 58 degrees. And it's at following this, like, this channel is just, you can't avoid this fucking thing. It's in an uptrend. So, when you think we got good news, we're not technically we're not out of the woodworks yet, right? So, that's something to keep in mind. But the markets, it's interesting because the market's somewhat fading all this all of a sudden. We're not getting that aggressive pullback that we were anticipating. And the fact that we are printing a Harami cross on the 3-day on SPY, this is typically not a bad sign for a small reversal going into tomorrow. Now, you can spot this thing on the 3-day. So 3 days on the time frame, potentially maybe 2-3 days to the upside, and then maybe get that reject because the overall trend has been absolutely fucking bearish, if I might say so myself, right? Absolutely fucking bearish. So from a risk reward, I wouldn't be surprised if I just position myself for maybe like a play going into tomorrow, and then hopefully we get a nice kick up, and then the big fuck you, That's what I'm thinking.
I'm in Merck, and I'm still holding the McDonald's. And the reason why I bought Merck is if you pull up XLV.
XLV, okay. 1 second.
It's your.
Oh, pill! Oh!
You'll understand that everything in healthcare is just right now rolling.
Code, real quick, chat, code. Did you take a look at VIVE, whatever the fuck it's called, VI? Oh, Red Cat, whoa! Bro, 3 Dark Crows on the 15. 3 Dark Crows on the 15. OCC, fucking thank God we're getting the pullback setup. Thank fucking Jesus. All right. Anyway, wow, Pill
Whoa.
is a monster right now. Holy shit.
Whoa.
What happened?
We got a problem.
What happened?
MAZE. We got a story.
MAZ.
Drop here.
Let me just
I
go
don't know
over.
what just happened.
Let me go over VIV and then Ray
Good.
and then yours. Real quick, course. I just got an alert. I think we charted this. Was this yours? Can you just confirm if this was yours? Because my alert went off, and I guess I set an alert when the price target was about to hit, and I do have an alert up here as well. I just said it. Is this yours? OCC pullback is great. I know, right? Because here in Trades to G, we find shit before things rip. Okay, everyone's fucking chasing tail. We're getting in the tail. We're buying the tail, and everyone's buying from us. Anyway, it was not mine. Okay, good. All right, moving on. My bad, Code. I thought this was yours. I don't know why I had an alert here. All right, Ray, what was yours?
I was in Merck, MRK, but the reason I was in it is because if you look at XLV, which is your healthcare ETF,
Oh my God, Ray, this chart
it's
is.
what you like to see. You show, I mean, you show patterns, and then I show you your pattern.
Dude, I love this chart. Oh my God, I love. This is literally your 3 rising valleys. So guys, 3 rising valleys, literally from the peak high to the peak low, the first 2 valleys, and then you twist and turn. You take the measurement rule off of the 2 valley high and the low. You put it at the second valley high, and now this target aims at 134.12. And the way you confirm that is if you break the recent valley high. Keyword recent, and that'll be your target. So we got to break exactly 124.14. Had a nice another valley low. Higher high, higher low. This is typically why they're called the 3 rising valleys. Higher high, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low. Now you got to break 125, and that target measurement rule from the first 1 and 2 peak high valleys, that measurement rule is at 133.80. Well, actually, it's exactly 134. 134. We just say 134. Look at that fucking structure, guys. This is literally what you want to see when you want to. Oh my God, this is a beautiful fucking chart. This is a great chart, dude. And you broke above the 50 daily. You're above the 20 daily. You're above the 200 daily. The MACD crossing on the daily. Relative strength, oh my God, above the center line. Positive DI. Oh, dude, this chart is. What is this? Shit, I might just get. Guys, keep an eye on MRK. What is this fucking shit? Another fucking. I hate bio. Come on.
Merck is one of the biggest pharma companies in the world.
Yeah.
Really?
Everybody follows Merck.
Oh, no.
Everybody waits for an entry. We can't never get it.
This is it. Not financial advice.
Oh.
Why didn't you talk about... Did we ever talk about this thing? Because look at the doji.
Yes, but I was doing bios back then. But that was a
We
while
were
ago.
talking about it 2 weeks ago.
Oh, my God.
We
Muran.
review a lot of things, and now I understand why you say focus on the sectors. Like if you're trading something, have your room, post what you want so people can follow along.
Dude, this is why I need... This is why King is on board, bro. Because thank God this man, he likes to do what he does. I like to do what I do. We can coincide together and fucking have a great team. Because he's telling me shit. What the fuck is moving in the market? He already did the homework. I'm over here just charting potential reversal here, that, and the third. And this is a fucking beautiful company. Look at and like the point I'm trying to make is
You don't like bios, so I don't bring it up.
yeah, but yeah, you're right. That's my fault. That's 100% my fault.
Nah, you gotta like healthcare right now. You gotta like bios, especially when they're doing what they're doing.
I'm gonna tell you right now, this is really fucking positive. This is the most bullish shit I've seen all day, aside from OCC. This is literally the most bullish shit. But this is healthcare. This ain't bio. Respectfully.
It is. No, it's both. Both.
Uh,
Yep.
And this is what we call, you know, I never got into Elliott waves. I did very small reading on it, but you know, you got some fucking retard out there that's saying, "Oh, it's a fish wave. It's a fucking. You get the 1, 2, 3, 4, the fucking fourth deviation, the fifth, the seventh, the eighth, and there you go. That's your other leg." And this is what we call the rise and valley. So we call these rise and valleys Elliott waves. We call it, I don't know, fifth pivot high, the fifth wave. I don't fucking know. I don't get involved. But this is the most bullish shit on the chart. I might actually have to enter here, bro. I'm not gonna lie, this is really bullish. Am I crazy? Am I the only one seeing this or what? Look at this.
No, when Merck moves, it really moves. It's like Lily. When they move, they're the biggest in their sector, right? They're heavily weighted and they fucking Mac truck.
Okay, I think One Horse is gonna join. One Horse, if you're listening, I think you're gonna join us. I think he's coming.
Also, McDonald's is starting to go right now.
Oh shit, yeah, you just reminded me. Oh my
It's
God,
literally
Pill!
going right now. It just started.
What did I told you yesterday? I said this thing.
I listened. I'm still holding.
There you go. There she goes. This is literally. Let's go. Everybody thinks I'm fucking crazy, but look at the concealing baby swallow, ladies and gentlemen. You mother truckers don't know shit about a concealing baby trucker. And look at this concealing baby swallow truck. Very rare to see, but I saw this shit at McDonald's. I said, wait a minute. Hold up. Look at this. Engulfing, bearish. You have the doji, you got the short candle. Then you got this fucking bearish setup. And bingo bango. Look at the identity. Almost to the fucking T, guys. A concealing.
Not financial advice.
Not financial advice. A concealing baby swallow setup. And there we go.
Join the Discord. Join the Discord. You'll learn this.
Thank you so much for that one, King. Shout out to fucking King and Ray on this one. You can't make this shit up. You just fucking can't, bro. Hold up. Let me post this one on the Twitter because, you know, shout out to. Got to give myself some receipts. I got fucking cred out here. Go ahead, cover for me real quick. I got to draw this out for the Twitter.
Alright, so as you can see, McDonald's is running. Alright, that was shown in the Discord.
Shout out to Ray. Shout out to Ray for that. Shout out to Ray for that one. Ray called that one out, and then we did the charting. Bro.
Yeah, I did call it out, but at the end of the day, we throw it up. We each give our opinion, what we're looking at, and when Sammy says, what did you call it, a baby swallow? You know, it is
Once
what it
again,
is.
shout out to Ray.
We've seen the pattern play out, so sit tight, strap in your seatbelt, put some music on, and enjoy the ride up.
Let's fucking go. No one believes me when I pull up these candle structures. They're like, what the fuck are you talking about, you degenerate moron? I'm like, look, I'm just a messenger, my guy. All right, all I do is fucking look at charts all day. I'm a chart maxi. Literally, that's my job. All right, I can stare at charts for hours, bro. Hours. Thank God I don't have kids, because otherwise I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing. But anyway, absolutely monster setup on McDonald's. Now, you wanna fucking, I'm gonna tell you where I see a potential exit, not financial advice. Actually a zone, not exit. Excuse me, zone.
You do not do exit and entry. It's not financial advice.
I forgot that we're streaming, you know, with the trading community. You know, we do different things out there. So anyway, with my trading crew. All right, so real quick, hold on. Let me get McD. Let's fucking go. All right, go ahead. All right, so for McDonald's, Oh man, this is so rare to see concealing baby swallow setup. So anyway, irrelevant now. It's irrelevant now. Let me just post this in the Discord.
As he's doing that, PZG
Is running.
is finally moving up 2.21%. That means gold is moving.
Oh my god, PZG. Wait. This is why I gotta have a king. King, I think you're gonna be here like almost every day now. Hold up. So now I gotta take a look at
Not
gold.
happening. But we'll talk about that.
Every day now. Come on, King. Gold. Let's take a look at gold real quick. Oh my god. So gold hit our 382. Okay, guys. So typically, so pay attention, guys. Typically, when we look at a structure like this, and also hit another harmonic completion here. So typically when we have a harmonic completion here and we hit a 382 after a massive rally bump to the upside, notice what's happening with the structure here. Now, if I go over to the 30-minute, let me double check here. You're printing what's called bearish divergence class B. And then what that means is that you're making flat highs on the price action, but you're making lower highs on the RSI. So this is your typical class B bearish divergence. Class B. So it's not a strong potential pullback. It will be minute. I mean, think about it. You just had a massive rally. Oscar just hit my radar. I just got an alert. I don't know what's going on here. I'm pulling up Oscar. Not sure why I got an alert here.
Because healthcare.
Woo! All right, put Oscar on your radar. It is at my buy zone, not financial advice. I have a box here. This is my support box. I look at my support box and I say, oh, every time it hits this box, magical things happen. Put Oscar on your radars. Put Oscar on your radars. You decide when to hit the buy button. Oscar is in my buy box. I look at Oscar in my buy box. Every time it hits this box, it likes to do something interesting. Not financial advice. Oscar can go to zero. Any asset you throw at the casino, aka the markets, you can potentially lose money. I am not responsible if you lose money. Full disclosure. Now that the disclaimer's out the way, we got to put Oscar back in the fucking box, in the watch list. Guys, we got to put this one back in the watch list. Now, I'm not liking that death cross on the 3-day. So a very interesting setup is occurring on Oscar. Now, we did have a death cross on the daily. We have a triple bottom on Oscar as we speak right now. Now, if I was a man of risk and reward, especially with the overall market dynamic, this would be a risky setup. Infrastructure finally pulling back a little bit here. OCC, please give us back. So if you guys notice, we were in these infrastructure plays for days and days on end. You guys know me. I take profits when I'm green. This is why I kind of regret with OCC, but because it went over 20%. It went over. That's when you get your little fucking regretful vibes. When shit just sold too early and it's over 20%, that's sort of like it will hurt. In that context, it will definitely hurt. After you sell and it goes up 5%, who cares? 10%, okay. 20%, now that hurts a little bit. All right, but regardless, I sat in the green, I took profits, I walked away. Now we're getting a pullback in infrastructure. That's really, really fucking great. Because infrastructure, you're always going to need infrastructure, and it's going to come back at a new higher low. And then we get in again, and again, and again, and again. Not financial advice. So, yeah, OCC just needs to pull back. Anyway, going back to PZG. So, we were talking about gold real quick. Right after I reverted into Oscar. King, I don't know if you can remind me on Oscar? I'm going to put this one in your...
Yes, I can.
Put it in
my room?
Yeah, I'm going to put it in your room. Let me put this in your room. This one could be a play. Just obviously trading the support.
Now, please remember, Oscar has a 2x long. That's 550.
550, Oscar.
OS CG.
All right, I'm looking at the chat real quick. Velo, we have a target at Velo. It hit it literally on the dot this morning. We got the terminal candle on the dot this morning. And we are now sitting on our hands waiting for the pullback. All right, we got the target completion here at exactly this Gartley here. Let me throw up the Gartley. Let me throw up the onion. There's the onion. All right, so this is a great first start of a potential reversal happening. Typically, when you get these kind of wicks, this is just mean reversion plays or just people just buying the shit up and thinking that's the bottom. Whatever have you, this is a great start of a potential reversal. Now, we're going to wait for days. Typically, when you get news like this, my rule of thumb is 2 to 3 days. We wait 2 to 3 days, and then you confirm a potential reversal. Now, you are finding a bounce at the 963. That doesn't mean that just because you get the wick here, doesn't mean it's not done selling off. Absolutely, it can continue selling off. So, this is why I wait 2 to 3 days. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put an alert here on Velo at 993. Hopefully, it comes back at the 968. Whatever have you, bingo, bango. All right, somebody said SoFi. What happened to SoFi? I don't know what happened to SoFi. What's going on with SoFi? What's going on with SoFi? I don't know. What's going on with... Whoa!
SoFi selling off, by the way. SoFi selling off.
What's wrong? Snake!
This shit is dog shit. This is poo-poo. This is absolute... Where's my poo-poo? What in the fuck is this? This is officially... This is literally in the garbage zone right now. How is SoFi
The
getting
last
this
3
shit?
months, SoFi, in the last 4 months, SoFi has went down almost 50%.
Do you think...
We spoke about this, King. What was our target?
$14.
There it is.
Yep. And that was a generous target.
Mm-hmm. Our real target is 976.
He said 14. I respect that. I respect that. Let's go. I feel bad for the SoFi holders. This is bad. Well, you mitigated 1680, so you want me to tell you the truth? Okay, for the person looking at the screen right now, I'm going to be very honest with you. I'm following what these guys... I agree what their target is. I'm looking at 14. I can agree. I mean, you have a clean consolidated node here, right? So if it gets here, finds a bounce around 15 or 1660, sure. Let me see if there's a Fibonacci there. If you want me to take a closer look, you know, I'm not really.
As he's charting, I can answer that question.
Go ahead.
What happened to SoFi? SoFi is being accused of cooking their books.
Ooh! You said
So in
they're
those
accused.
terms,
Hold on,
God bless America.
Hold on. Let's repeat that again for the viewers. You said that they're getting accused of cooking their books.
That is correct.
Well, either this is going to be the greatest opportunity buy, or it's going to be an Enron scenario. A whole Enron scenario. Now, turning on my fib levels, what Ray and King said around $14, I can agree with them 100%. And the reason why is because you guys know how I love my golden pockets. I love my golden pockets, and if you look left, it was an area of consolidation for literally months on end in this price action. So there is a very respected zone. Price action was fighting a lot of bears and a lot of bulls, a lot of liquidity here. So I can agree with what their target is at $14. Very nice. Don't forget to hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Hit the like button if you like this content, especially with the new guests on stage. Pretty much the Discord. If you guys want to, my Discord room, if you guys want to jump on the stage, just shoot the shit and just talk charts. Let's do it. I'm loving the dynamic that we're having right now as we speak. So, damn, SoFi is getting accused. Who would have fucking thought? Bro, I remember everyone in the mother talking about this fucking ticker, dude. Everyone was talking about this ticker, bro. Everyone. I'll never forget the hype around SoFi. Oh my God. Ugh. Anyway, WLDN. Oh, let's go! Look at OCC finally. Infrastructure pulling back finally. WLDN finally. Vertiv final fix fine. All these guys. Thank the fucking. I'm tired of winning, bro. All right, Mag 7's all having a pullback. Hold on. What's going on with the market? Hold on. We haven't even looked at the market. We have yet. Wow.
Another Iran strike and oil pumping.
Dude. Yeah, I'm on the daily. Let me switch over to the 15. I'm just noticing this. Love the guest set up in your room. Thank you so much, Parabolic Code. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I think we're going to keep this consistent. Because, you know, only one guy can only do so fucking much. I only have one sternum. I can't look at every fucking ticker across the god. There's 12,000 tickers last time I checked. I can't remember 12,000 tickers. I can't even look at 12. I can barely look at 60. I'm lying. I can look at 60 in a day. I'm lying. I can look at 60. Anyway, fucking, we're getting a pullback here. Indices pulling a back. And let me chart some SPY. Let me chart some SPY. SMCI naughty news. Oh yeah. Yes, thank you for. I just saw your comment. I'm sorry. SMCI. Yes. I forgot about SMCI. Thank you for reminding me. So yeah, this one we already had drawn here. I did say this is just a mean reversion play. 3 inside up candle on the daily right now. I did speak on this. So I'm going to keep an eye on that center. I'm going to keep an eye on that center line on the RSI to confirm that this trend is still intact. I wouldn't touch it now, but that's just me. You do you, boo-boo. Let me see what's it looking like on the smaller time frame. Yeah, so the pullback's happening as we speak. So if I can short, do we have a bear short on this fucking piece of shit? I would short this right now. Not financial advice. I would literally short this right now.
No.
Okay. Wow, I would love to short this. Let me check the options chain on this.
No, I'm sorry. Yes, we do.
There is a short?
Yes, $44.93.
What's the short? SMCIZ? I guarantee it.
SMCZ.
SMZZ. SMCZZ, right? SMCZZ, I'm assuming. Yep.
SM.
I got it. I got it. Oh, yeah.
Do you want the backstory for this one? Or you already know it?
I'm already looking at it right now. Look at this thing.
No, do you want to know why it's doing this? Or you good already? You know?
Oh, no. I already know, but give it to the viewers. Go for it.
All right. So, one of the board members and one of the presidents of the company was caught smuggling chips to China. NVIDIA chips to China. And what is the number one rule? If you're going to smuggle, do not get caught. They got caught, and now they're tanking. There you go. That's what happened.
So, thank you for that. My question is to you, sir. And, I don't expect you to know this right off the bat. But do you think... Hold up. I just gotta... Hold up. Do you think this is an Enron situation just based off the books? What's your thoughts on that?
This isn't an Enron situation. This is worse than an Enron situation. All right? Because you got to look at the facts. Right? The president put rules in place that you are not allowed to send chips to China. So you did not just break a law, a regular law. You didn't just embezzle money. You spit in the face of the president of the United States.
Ooh! I like the way you said that, sir. I really like the way you fucking said it. You spitting in a man's fucking face. The most highly powerful, the almighty Donald Trump. You spitting his fuck up, man. I didn't even think about it that way. So you think, now that you double crossed, if you double crossed Donald Trump, that's a fucking
There you
problem.
go.
Oh no.
They're already talking about 30 years in federal prison.
Oh no, bro.
And that's with leniency. And then on top of it, which you won't believe, they have videos posted of them pulling out the computer chips, a super microcomputer box.
You saw that with the blow dryer, King?
We're not going to talk about that.
Okay, it was wild.
Right? So on top of the fact that you did this, you're going to ship it in the boxes that are attached to your company. Can't believe you got caught. Don't know how that happened. Once again, God bless America.
God bless America, bro. God fucking bless America. Hold up, we are getting a pullback here on FLR. We're getting a nice Dragonfly Doji at the impost. And you know I love me some Dojis. When I see Dojis, I am running to see if I can get a position real quick. I'm sorry, I'm noticing this now. I normally don't double dip on a day, but I like to double dip with infrastructures. I've been fucking killing it with infrastructure. Shout out to King for finding me this sector. And I've been literally just fucking, I've been hammering this fucking chart, dude. Let me see something real quick here.
Sammy,
What happened?
PWR at Power Play that you said that was extremely too high, but was going to do the stock split that you was thinking about maybe getting into.
Mm-hmm.
It finally hit the red.
Oh!
It's in red.
Oh!
PWR.
But yeah, we're gonna do a lot of these. King, you better set up. You better have a lot of free time. That's all I'm saying. We're gonna do a lot of these. Look at this fucking chart. Yeah, dude, this thing has been up only, King. When is the stock split? And they have dividends April 2nd.
Next month.
Oh my god.
It has not hit the red in weeks.
And they have dividends April 2nd, guys. PWR. So Code says they clear. What does that mean, they clear? You want to elaborate on that? What do you mean they cleared? Like they gave him the clear passageway to sell
The company may be clear. He ain't clear to nothing. Those are two different things. But until everything is good, because this is the issue that they want to dig into. NVIDIA chips are being smuggled, right? NVIDIA is SMCI's biggest partner. Even if they clear the company, you think NVIDIA want this, they name on this right now with everything else going on?
Check the chat, King. She's responding to you. They clear, settle, 10 out of 10. They settled.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead.
Yeah, settled, but that got nothing to do with NVIDIA. If NVIDIA decides they don't want nothing to do with the company, it's going to 50 Cent.
Oh, wait a minute. Time out. You just said something very important. You just said okay, let's rewind a little bit. SMCI is the biggest client for NVIDIA, right? Now,
As far as their cooling racks and all that together, yes.
NVIDIA would not cut partnerships just because, they have an internal issue. What do you think about that?
$2.5 billion in smuggled chips?
Yeah, but you're still...
They wouldn't do what?
But they're the biggest
They'll
client.
find somebody else.
Okay. I mean, that's a valid point. That's a valid statement.
You're talking about NVIDIA here.
I
My
understand.
mom and pop.
He's got a point. He's got a valid point. I think they can definitely find another customer. That's a fact. I agree. Okay, you got it. That's a fact. Okay.
So hopefully whoever take over is smart enough to go crawling and come up with a plan to make sure this never happens again. Then maybe they could save that partnership, but if I don't know, man.
Thank you.
Like I said, I don't want to.
Thank you. Somebody said, thank you. You are a fucking genius. MRK 120. Love ya. Let's go.
Oh, you welcome.
Let's go. I guess we found some tickets for our favorite viewers out there. Let's go put back up MRK real quick. Yeah, this thing is fucking blasting
That's
off.
Right.
Dude, this thing is...
Sammy, I got another one.
Let's go. Give it to me, Poppy. No homo, no diddy.
Not advice. I entered this today. What the lows?
Wait. You broke up, Ray. You broke up, Ray. Say that again.
PEP.
PEP.
The volatility is crazy.
Oh!
Right,
And it's
Bitcoin
at my
going
golden...
back down.
Hold up.
down.
Guys. Pepsi. Do not ignore this chart. It's at my second completion point at the golden pocket. You got the fucking phenomenal formation, these little doji lows, consolidation phases, and typically, oh my god, there's a harmonic in here. And you hit the golden pocket. Oh, Pepsi. Do not ignore Pepsi, ladies and gentlemen. This is a chart for potential reversal, not financial advice. Not financial. No, that harmonic did not complete the way I wanted to. Let's go find this deviation leg here. It's still coming back at 382. I'm not a fan of the leg here. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that leg.
Look at that M.
Yeah, I know. Trust me. I'm going to find the M. Just give me a second. I'm going to find the M. I'm going to find... Oh, there it is. I found it. Fucking found
Yep, you got it.
We're gonna 1618. Oh, I don't like that one either. Oh, let me get this one here. Let me get that one there. I gotta get my M's, otherwise I don't trade nothing.
King of all is crazy.
Dude, you can say that shit again.
Yes, it is.
Surfboard.
And if we tick down 2 more points, OCC is about to go through the roof.
What are you talking about? Stop. What are you talking? No.
On the VIX. On the VIX.
I'm looking at OCC right now. Oh my god, I need the pullback, brother. I don't want to hear VIX. I don't want to hear OCC up again. It has been literally up since 650. Since I called this fucking shit support, it's been up literally. Oh my god, 43% off of the lows. Let me double check real quick. When I got in and I sold, oh my god, no, it's up 50%. So now I feel even worse that it went up an additional 40%. I feel even worse.
I wish I'd have never bought this to you now.
I feel even worse. I'm sick to my stomach, bro. This is why I hate trading sometimes, because scenarios like these, I always preach, hey, if it goes up 5 or 10%, fine. But it went over 40% after the gains. I made an average 8.5%. It went over 40% after I exited. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Get the fuck out of here. I'm sick. Pepsi. Guys, do not ignore this chart. This chart literally reversal. And this is literally, I found it. I literally fucking found it. Literally, I found it. Here we go. There it is. There it is. The 1618. There it is with a 224. Yup. There it is. 1618. Found it. Fucking finally. Right there. 224 with a 10% tolerance. In most cases. There it is. Consolidation phase. Looking really fucking solid. Looking really good here for Pepsi. Not financial advice. Turning on the whole suite. Let's see if we're seeing any support. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Shout out to Ray for this one. This one is cooking. This one is cooking. If you guys like to trade the memes, this is the one. One of them, actually. Me too. Why did I sell at 10%? Yeah, Code, tell me about it. It's disgusting. It's fucking disgusting. Amazing, bro. All right. What else? Let me go switch over to the indices real quick, seeing what's happening across the market on the 15-minute time frame. I haven't even looked at it. Looked at shit all day. ES looking, yeah, everything looks a little flat here. Brent oil at $100, 0.5% to the upside. VIX down 0.535%. Bitcoin down, actually up 0.59%. Russell up 1.17%. SPY up 1.68%. Q 0.8%. Why am I saying 1 point? Excuse me. Everything's not at 1 point. 1.15% on Russell. Anyway, FLR, massive pullback. Massive candle here with a nice doji candle at the impulse, but it's at, if you pull up the daily on FLR, that is technically a doji candle. So I'm not fucking with a doji on the daily. Dojis on the daily means no. That's a big no for me. I'm not fucking around and finding out. I'm going to wait for the pullback on this thing, but that's a reversal signal on FLR. I'm totally cool with that. I'm totally fine with that. We do need a pullback on some of these infrastructure plays that have been massively ripping. Space stocks absolutely finally catching a nice bit to the downside after a massive rally this morning. You are seeing space stocks slowly reversing back a little bit. I'm not sure why. I think somebody said that the SpaceX stock announcement. What is it? SpaceX announcement, essentially moving stocks up to the upside. Coming back home. Yeah, it's coming back home. OCC looks like a goddamn scallop about to form on the daily. This thing really needs to pull back, bro. Like, seriously. And last but not least, go ahead.
Can I say something?
Go ahead.
It's okay. I mean, it's okay, bro. The hands of OCC is out. Come on home, bro. It's okay. You come on back home.
I know, right?
Just hit the buy button. It's all right. Come on home.
Let's just hit the buy button. Oh, God.
Come on home, Sammy.
It's a struggle sometimes. SPY looking weaky here. Oil looking strongy here. I'd be very careful. VIX somewhat consolidating. Now, guys, remember, VIX is still elevated.
I am not selling.
ELF on key support coiling. Oh, let's take a look at ELF. ELF.
Is that Elfster?
ELF.
No, Elf Beauty.
Oh, remember? Hey, Ray, you know about, in a recession, you already know what happens with these cosmetic plays. I think, King, you know about these too as well.
A little bit, but not my specialty.
All right.
But you know what it is with Elf?
What?
They need a catalyst, and it's just down. Like, just down. A month straight, just straight down.
Yeah, it's hard for me to get into something like ELF. I don't care what your fundamentals are. Open up that chart and just throw up.
Let's take a look.
I was a huge fan of Ulta for a while. This month, it finally took a crap.
It took a shit.
It fell earnings.
Let's see if we can find a bottom on ELF. Let's see. I like these knives.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. Is it a falling knife? Yeah.
I love catching these knives. Love when shit takes a shit. I love these things. You know, it's sort of like it's competition for me because if I can try and catch the absolute reversal, I don't know. I get high, I get high off it. I get a fucking high.
Whenever you say, I like catching falling knives, I think about the movie Gangs of New York.
I haven't seen that shit in years. I don't even know what scene that was. It's been a while.
It's Bill the Butcher, where he's really good with the knives, and he fucking throws it at the girl and basically pinpoints her against the wall.
This guy. 127. Nah, there's no butterfly.
And I yield the floor.
And I yield the fucking floor.
White fiber.
Oh, please tell me. Please tell me. I'm going to take a look at Elf. Give me 1 second. We were talking about white fiber last night, and now King is talking about it. Hold up. Hold up. What did I say? Oh, my God. Dude. What do I tell you? Bro, what did I say? Bro. What did I look, I kid you not, guys. I kid you not. I'm in King's room, right? I'm literally in his room. King Kemp Place. White fiber. Look, I'm even gonna post it. Look. I'm even gonna post a conversation. This was yesterday night. Look at this conversation. Oh, it was this morning. 8:41.
This morning, yep.
8:41 this morning. White fiber. I'm showing them the chat. We still need this company for anything at support. Hell yeah, data center builder Cypher Money. King wrote. He's my trusted investor. If you guys notice, he's got the badge in there. So, and he's got the highlighted green. Shout out to King. Anyway, the point is 6% at support, double bottom. And I'm over here dicking around, but tomorrow's earnings. And you know me, I don't like trading earnings. I don't like trading earnings at all. WYFI absolutely is a banger. Banger, bro. Banger. Dude, we've been catching knives for a while, dude. It's a fucking... Yo, we're killing it, bro. All right, let me...
All you tell me is, everything you look at is up and to the right.
Thank fucking God you're converting. I'm noticing you're not letting me know about shit up and to the right too much recently. I like that about you. Thank you.
Hey, Sammy, can you do GLD?
Absolutely.
Especially since it gapped, and a lot of people get confused, especially when they buy something and it gaps up overnight. And then they're sitting there at the screen going, should I take my profits? Is it going to hit my fib? How's the RSI looking?
So...
Is there any news?
Wait, isn't that the gold trust?
Yeah. I'm using
right?
gold spot paired in dollar. Same shit, right? It's at 45.57.
Use the New York Stock Exchange ARCA GLD.
GLD, let me see.
Keep it very fundamental for everyone so they can all play it and get an idea.
It's almost the same. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. I got you. This is the cheaper version.
Yeah, this is what everyone plays. This is the ARCA fund.
I got you. All right, so I got a completion here. Let me see what the harmonic I have here. I don't even know what the fuck I left behind here. This was a 4618. Let me get the 886. I'm going to go back to Elf because I do want to take a good look at Elf real quick. I'm not going to lie. I like Elf. Oh, there's a bat. Yeah, bat. Clean bat. Let me get the completion point right there. All right, that's a bat. 886 with a 21618. Okay, I like this a lot. Terminal candle. So typically how I trade these, I look for a 382 target. You got the mean reversion, consolidation, candles to the upside. 4 hour, 382, 42, 425, 41. Let me see the candles here. Looks a little toppy, I'm not going to lie. Let me see the 1 hour. Looks really good here, though. Let me see above the whole suite. Aggressive at that. Let me see the 12 hour. Let me see the 12. Oh yeah, nah. Fuck no. Fuck no. Nope. Wouldn't. I mean, look, if you're in this trade, not financial advice, all I'm going to say is I'm going to pull out my candle book because I preach the candles. All right, you don't take it from me. All I'm gonna do is show you a fucking structure. You decide what you want to do with this information. All right, I'm gonna zoom in closer and closer so you guys can stick it in your skull. All right, there is a doji at the impulse. Doji at the impulse. So from a risk reward, if there's a doji at the impulse, what we doing here? Right? I'm not gonna say it. No, I'm gonna give you guys a head. Oh,
I'm out of here.
So people, please Google. Please Google. Do your own homework. Do your own research. What a doji is after. Okay, look, guys. Look. You just had a nice rally, right? You just had a nice 10% rally. Obviously, it was just trading off a mean, right? Found the bounce, got a nice little mean reversion, whatever have you, right? So if you look over at the 1 hour time frame, okay, is the oscillator RSI overbought? Is it a center line? Okay, it was hitting the over. Okay, you printed bearish divergence. Looks like a class B, but technically not. And you are seeing a structure that tells you, hey, there's a bunch of dojis up here, shooting star, hanging man, that this setup, this move is weakening. So from a risk reward, just wait for the retracement, not financial advice. Not financial advice. But the doji on the 12 hour is a key sign. Okay? Now, how the fuck would you play this? Well, is the trend dead? The trend's not dead. But what I typically look for now, you're looking for the C leg, right? What do I mean by that? What are you talking about, Sammy? So this is what I'm doing. I'm just pulling up a harmonic, and I'm just waiting for another higher low potential. And then wait for the rip, right? You just had a nice little... This is how W's are formed, guys, by the way. When you have a nice rally, even if it's a mean reversion, people are going to exit at a midpoint. That's the B. Then you wait for the pullback. Wait for the C. Another higher low. And then you get the dicky, right? The dicky, I call it, the Hulk dicks. At the D leg finisher. All right. This is not an official harmonic complete. I'm just throwing up a chart. I'm just throwing up a hypothetical, right? I'm just throwing you guys. Let me just make it short because people think, oh, you said 480. All right, let me just make it back to real. Let me just put it here, right? Just whatever. I'm just throwing up a hypothetical. But this is how you typically look for the C leg. Why do you think I'm happy to see the infrastructure plays to pull back a little bit? FLR, OCC, WLDN, because I'm going to wait for the C leg for another harmonic start or completion or finish or execution, whatever have you. So this is how I play off of harmonics. This is just me. So I'm waiting for the pullback on, if I were to watch this chart, let me land my plane, I would wait for another higher low, right? And look at the RSI on the 12 hour. What does it look like? The relative strength looks like it wants to get back inside the deep in the bear zone, which will create a divergence. And once you create a divergence, this is what we call an RSI failure swing. And after you break above the pivot zone or the pivot leg on the B, aligning with the RSI, getting back in the bear zone, that might be a potential RSI failure swing. So keep an eye on gold. Doji candle at the impulse, just saying, and then maybe it might hit my C leg, and then another ripper. So that's what I would have to say for your crew. Not financial advice. Who is in here? Somebody came in here. Star, you're live right now on stream. Just a full disclosure, okay, sir?
OG.
I got it, guys. How are you guys?
Good, sir. How are you?
We're doing better now that you're here.
I'm okay. My options trades have been great.
Talk to me about the 2-year note. What's going on with the 2-year?
Hold on 1 sec.
Pulling up the 2-year note right now, actually.
The yield or the note?
I'm looking at the 2-year note. You've been getting me hooked on these fucking boomer conversations, so now I'm looking at the 2-year note every goddamn day now.
Well, you're too good of a trader, Sammy, to not incorporate looking at yields.
I'm slowly
Bob,
diving into it. I'm slowly getting there. Give me a little time.
One day I need you to be like, hey, yo, Ray. The bond.
So essentially, all you got to remember is this, Sammy. The bond market is the new money in the Ponzi scheme that is the dollar. If they can't continually borrow new money, and refinance old money into new yields forward at better prices than they have been previously, the whole system is going to collapse. So when you see the 2-year yield rally 50 basis points in a week, that means they're not getting their price for their money. And that's a global thing. And so that's a top on stocks because they're
Global
not
treasury.
getting the red cut. Right?
Yeah,
And the 2-year, by the way, the 2-year
mm-hmm.
is the proxy for rate cut expectation. So when the 2-year goes higher in yield and goes above the Fed funds rates, that means they're not cutting rates anymore. And we know that America and the global financial system is addicted to free money. And they're ripping that heroin needle out of their arm. So how can that be good for stocks?
OG, can you tell him
Go ahead.
Fulcrum, the 10-year?
Well, I have different opinions on the 10-year because I don't necessarily think that a rising 2-year is bad for the 10-year. It might actually be good for the 10-year. A lot of people would disagree, but there's a lot more noise, quote unquote, that the 10-year can tolerate that the 2-year can. So you could see an inversion and really quick because people are like, listen, I'm not going to get what I want out of the 2-year, but that's going to mean shit's going to fall apart in the short term. So I want the 10-year bond that's going to balance itself out in that 8 years beyond the 2 years that I'm not invested. So you drown out the noise with a little bit of duration, which is the length of the 10-year bond, which is really bad for stocks, by the way, if that happens.
Well, let me not burst anyone's bubble, but the fucking 2-year not only has an impending golden cross, but it also is inside a 3 rising valley formation. And right now we are printing the second valley. Okay, that is a set.
Hold on. When you say golden cross, you mean the yield, right? Not the price.
Whatever the.
Yeah.
Go ahead, R.
Yeah, he means because it's done differently. You don't say it was up $10. You say it was up basis points, 5 basis points.
There you. Oh, okay.
Okay. So higher in yield means rates are going to rise. The Fed rate is going to rise. You're going to start hiking rates around the world. That's what you're saying with your chart.
That's what it's showing on the chart. Price action yield, whatever you want to call this, it's looking very bullish.
Well, just remember, when yield goes higher, bond prices go lower. So you lose money on your bond positions when the rate goes up.
All right.
So if you're looking at higher yields, people in the 2-year are going to lose money on their bond positions. And the 2-year in America, the U.S. 2-year, is basically a proxy for the path of potential rate decisions.
But they don't tell anyone that. OG, a lot of these guys that are trading just think, oh, I got to look at what this is and our debt and that. Just look at all the yields spread throughout.
I always say this to people. What's the market telling you? That's it. And if the 2 years rising, that means, and especially when it crosses through the Fed funds rate, which it just did, that means rate expectations went from cuts to hikes. Puts tremendous pressure on emerging markets and their currency rates.
Gee, I have a question for you real quick before we move back to the stock talk. Do you ever look at the U.S. 30-year? The 10-year?
I do.
Minus the
The
10-year.
spread between the two? The spread between
Yeah, the 20-year forward.
I don't. Maybe I should.
You really should. You should look at it because target way lower on this thing. Playing out beautifully. Spreads
What's it,
flattened.
what's it telling you,
Gonna
Rex?
have an issue.
What is it telling you?
That rates are going lower.
Okay. Long
Check
rates.
it out. Yeah,
Long
just check it. Yeah, check it out.
Oh.
Thing and get back to me. I can be wrong. This is just the market. There's always things evolving day by day, week by week, month by month.
So what Ray is alluding to, guys, is what bond traders would call the forward curve. So you can look at the yield curve, which is a spot market, or you can bootstrap the forward curve, do some fancy math, and figure out, like, in a year, what's the 10-year rate going to be? That's the 10-year rate 1 year forward. They trade those rates. That's a very important thing to look at, but it's way over everybody's head because it's a bond assumption implied by what's going on in the market. And it gives you the direction of the yield curve forward in an expectation form. That being said, what Ray's saying is we're probably looking at an inverted yield curve. I think, right, Ray?
Yeah, which won't allow them to really do much because they cut so much.
Just a heads up,
Yes.
everybody, real
What
quick.
makes-
Oil is up now, 1.3%. It's about Brent oil. Spot Brent oil is up 1.3%. VIX slowly creeping. It's down 4.7%. Was down 6%. ES down. ES is flattening here. A little bit of consolidation here. So pretty much overall indices are pretty much flat. But Bitcoin now down. We're technically up 4.7%. Was up 0.6%. So a lot of things are slowly creeping to the downside. Now oil is slowly rising. Now at 101, 1.3%, 1.4% now. So slowly creeping to the upside. Go ahead.
Well, so essentially, this phenomena that Ray's talking about, I have to look at the forward curve myself, but it implies what I think, that there's less noise in the 10-year, 20-year, 30-year. And so people run to a place where they can drown out the noise and not get fucked in the short term. And what happens is, first it flattens out, then it inverts. That kills the banks. Horrible for banks. Right? So, I'm looking at everything right now. You're telling me balls creeping, oil's up, short to banks.
There you go. There you go.
There you fucking go.
Sammy, I don't think you'd realize how hard it is for someone to explain what he just explained. If you could ask a bond trader to explain that, and they would confuse you.
Yeah, no. Simple shit. And banks are green today. Banks are green today. I'm trying to short it, and how about this? They wouldn't sell me the goods. So there you go. Short the banks.
Short the fucking banks.
And speaking of that, look at Morgan Stanley.
Let me
Yeah,
pull.
and here's even better. Here's even better. Okay. Not only is an inverted yield curve horrible for banks, but they're cleaning up trading against people like us, right? That's where they're making all their money. I think last 5 quarters. Retail has slowed down a lot, and the more inverted we go, the more it's hinting at stress in our world. Forget just TradFi. So there's going to be a lot less money to go around trading profits. So it's like a double whammy against banks.
Morgan Stanley, you said?
Yeah, I'm looking. I said yesterday, last time when we were speaking, I don't trade options very often, but I'd love to.
Oh, I would short this shit
this
right
now.
here. I would short this shit.
Right here.
Yeah.
It's set up beautifully yesterday, and they swept the highs.
Yup. 1,000. You smacked the 50, you smacked the 20 EMA and the 50 SMA. You got a doji, and you got a nice gap up. This might even be a fucking abandoned baby setup. An abandoned baby setup is not a fucking candle you want to see. So the fact is, you got a gap, you got a doji, and tomorrow you get the confirmation. But again, this also looks like a W forming as well. So you're going to get that pullback. That's what it's telling you. But it might be a W, but let's see what happens. But this looks like a, I mean, I would short, I mean, is there an inverse for this fucking thing? Is there an inverse for Morgan Stanley?
I don't think so. I tried
No.
looking it up.
All right.
Try KAZ.
KA.
FAZ. FAZ.
FAZ.
Mhm.
FAZ. Let me see.
Yeah, the financial bear 3x.
Oh my God. Whoa.
It's not that. Look, it's not down. See that? And you see that red candle today? You see that big fat red candle?
I'm on the 3D. Let me switch to the daily. Okay. I'm looking at the daily.
The
Oh!
4 hours ready to go. Yeah, ready to go, and it's curling up.
Dude, this thing had a golden cross. This is not good.
No, it's not. And it's same with the inverse Fang.
Inverse Fang. In Fang. I gotta write all this shit down. A good thing we're recording because I'm gonna forget, so I can always go back. Fang. Diamondback Energy. Not this one, right?
NGD is the inverse Fang.
Oh, I got it.
I've taken some off the table here, and I'm letting the rest ride.
Okay, they just filled me in the maze. So I bought the FAZ. Let me see what I bought. Hold on.
Well,
The
FAZ.
FAZ, 42 calls. I paid 10.07.
10.07.
Yeah.
That's a good fucking you're in the green.
What are they trading at now? 16?
No, I bought them just now.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
No. Because essentially what I'm doing, I'm buying 200 shares to see where I got filled, but in options.
Wait a minute. I just thought of
So-
something. If the credit,
Uh,
if we have stress in credit or stress in the economy, help me just pull back a little bit of the onion here. That means infrastructure
Yeah.
companies or companies that are taking out loans,
are fucked.
no bueno.
No way, nothing's bueno. But you want to short what's expensive first, right? And banks with the credit problems, private credit, and private equity. Yeah. Why is anybody bidding for banks here? It's retard poker.
That makes a lot of sense. Huh.
Like even if we lose, right? This is not a bad place to take risk.
Right.
Not at all. Not at all.
Damn.
And there's so much volatility in the world right now in terms of, first off, headlines, and then second off, like the ball of the ball. We could go from 26 to 28 to 23 to 45 to 80, and then we're closing out our options. But you got to think like that. Ball's moving around. Ball hasn't moved around like this in a long time.
All right. Guys, we've been streaming for literally for fucking 3 hours now, ladies and gentlemen. Everything's all recorded. Shout out to Star, King, and Ray. They're coming in live and hot. So, I think we're going to do these now, hopefully every day. Whoever wants to chime in on the Discord member lounge, please, every time I stream, come to the member lounge so you guys can voice some tickers, talk about yields, 2 years, etc., etc. Again, I really like this little segment of the YouTube. I really like, everybody's perspective and everybody's opinions. I mean, there's so much to cover, and I can't do it all. So let's do this again tomorrow.
Where else do you get someone like you that's trading? You got King fundamentally giving you a corporation, and you people waste 12 hours of your day reading, and he understands and comprehends it all. You have 30 years experience with OG. You have a really retarded guy like me hunting down tickers.
We have a dynamic team.
I love it, and we gotta fucking
Yes.
we gotta continue this momentum. To be honest with you, I really like how we have different perspectives. So I'm gonna go ahead and say, hopefully tomorrow you guys show up in the 9. I'm gonna stream tomorrow 9 a.m., 9:30, 9 a.m. around that time frame. And let's see, whoever wants to show up, I'll be in the members lounge. But guys, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for tuning in. We've been streaming for 3 hours now, so let's do this again tomorrow, folks, and God bless everybody.